Did you tell anybody that?
Yes. And he just
Well,
admitted.
then, so let's say it's a 4-hour bill minimum and you adequately conveyed that. Why'd you bill for 5? Karatni?
Ms. Hernandez, I'll mail you that notice.
Okay, thank you so much.
We're sending you the order that I entered, Ms. Hernandez, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Everybody's name. Your name, sir, again?
Justin Kincaid?
All right. Ma'am, your name? Sir, your name?
Antonio Karatni.
And sir, your name? I'm sorry, your first name?
Dale.
Dale Hope. Did you perform, I'm gonna ask you to raise your right hand. Everybody else is still under oath. You solemnly swear or affirm under penalties of perjury, Mr. Holbrook, that the testimony you will give in these proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God.
Yeah, no.
Did you go out and perform work at Mr. Karatni's residence at 23862 Meadows Avenue on or about July the 29th?
And employees that way.
Were you there?
No.
Well, I need the guy who did the work. Let me show you this picture here. John, did you talk to your employees?
Yes. The pictures were sent to me.
Who sent them to you?
The employee at the time.
Is he still with you? Did he get fired?
Yes.
When?
He had to work for me and I will be. Okay, September?
Look at that picture.
Yes.
What did he do?
Boarded up window.
How long do you think that took? I couldn't, listen, if you want me to, if I need to, we'll subpoena him. How much time, do you know what the work they did? Have you done that kind of work before?
Yes.
How long would that have taken?
Well, a lot goes into,
I'm not,
it's not just the boarded up window.
I want to know how long you think that took him. What did he do? He put up that Viz Queen there
How long it would have took him to board the actual window up?
to do the whole thing?
Probably, the whole entire job completely from the call. Okay, 3 to 4 hours.
What would he have had to do?
Go to the store, pick up material. After the job was done, dispose of the glass that we had to take out.
Well, so he'd have gone to Lowe's or Home Depot, picked up the materials on his way, and then he would have done the boarding. He would have pulled out the glass. What else would he have done?
Well, the time starts from the car. So driving to the store, fuel,
Fuel.
yeah,
What do you need fuel for to perform that job?
drive to the job.
You mean every time he gets a call for a job, he's got to go refuel?
That's what the company would charge.
Listen to what I'm telling you. If he got a call today from Mr. Karatni at your office, you told dispatch this guy, and then tomorrow I called and said, I want you to do this same work. He wouldn't have had to refuel 2 days in a row, would he? Do you get my question? You're saying he had to refuel? You're charging the guy to refuel? Every customer you charge to refuel?
And fuel to get to the job, it's all factored into the hourly.
You said he had to refuel. Did I misunderstand you?
No, I'm telling you that it costs fuel to get you the job and go get it.
Well, that's different than saying he had to refuel.
Right, no, I didn't say he had to refuel.
I thought you said he had to refuel.
No.
Did you not say
The
that?
cost is fuel, going to the store, driving to the
How
job.
much you charge in fuel?
There's no, it's factored into the $85 an hour. Insurance, fuel.
Where's your office? At Ecorse Road?
The city.
Do you charge him portal to portal? Does a customer get charged portal to portal? Your office got a call, right?
I got a call, yes.
Right. Were you at the office?
No,
Do you know where your employee was? Who was the employee that worked on this?
you're on the job. Name was Thomas.
Thomas what?
Adby.
Pardon? And where were you at the job at?
I don't recall, it's back in July.
Do you know what city?
At this point, the contractor's explanation begins to fall apart under the judge's questioning. While the company insists that labor, travel, tools, and fuel are all included in the hourly rate, the judge repeatedly asks for one simple answer: what actual work was done, and how long did it really take? The more details that come out, the more the judge questions whether the 5 billed hours can actually be justified.
On this job,
Well, most boarders are charged by the hour, I understand.
are or aren't?
That's how they're factored in, is it's a $500 minimum regardless of the hours or material.
Jeez. I don't get it.
Insurance is expensive. A lot of things go into that, so can't really send an employee payroll taxes, you can't send an employee out for much less than that.
Your Honor, may I say something? This queen is mine. They didn't do that.
This what?
This queen you were talking about, that was already there. That's mine and it's part of the house.
I still haven't gotten a good answer on what exactly they do. They drive to the property.
Yeah,
They got this
did.
hang on. What do they do first, Mr. Holbrook?
What's it?
They're boarding up. You said there's a lot more that goes into it. They have to go get the materials.
Yes,
The materials consist of the wood, right?
yes,
What else do they consist of?
sure,
What else?
tools,
Well, you've got the tools, right? He's not buying tools for every job. You've got the tools in the trunk, right?
so that's just free? Like, no, it's all factored in. The tools are free.
I don't think you're answering my question. And I'm not trying to be smart with you.
Well, Your Honor, it's a $475 bill, and that's cheap if you ask me.
It might be, all I asked the question was, what do they have to do? You said they have to go get materials. I said, okay. Then you said they have to refuel. Then I got into asking the questions about how often they have to refuel. If he got one done tomorrow and me the day after, would you have to refuel for both? You said no. Then you said you're talking about the charge for the fuel. Now you want to charge for the tools. This is an hourly basis. I'm just asking. I want to assume that the gas is in there, unless you remember the gas not being in the truck.
Okay,
If he went and got the materials, which consist only of the wood, right? I mean, I get the fact that you got tools, but he only had to go buy wood and screws, right?
yeah,
Then he goes over to the property and he sees a window knocked out. What would he have to do to complete the job?
remove the glass. And cut the plywood, install it, seal up the window, clean it up.
And how long do you think that would take for a job like that in the picture?
Couple hours, hour to two.
So I showed something more that said there was something here that said quantity 5. Hang on a second. Where's that piece of paper at, Ms. Bondrich? Now, how do you get the 5 hours if it takes an hour or two to take out the glass and put in the boards?
That was what I informed you, that we have a charge to go to the store.
Then why even have a quantity rate of $85 an hour? If you're just gonna charge 500, why not just tell them it's 500?
Well, I would have told the, person who called me that it would have been around $500.
But he didn't call you, right?
No.
She called you. Ms. Pondrick, right? Did you call him? Who called?
Our production manager.
Your Honor, they did not remove the glass.
I don't need to hear anymore. I'm just getting disgusted with this whole situation.
Me too. The wood was already in there. You could tell it's not cut 48 to 48.
By now, the judge has reached a clear conclusion. After hearing both sides, he focuses on the original estimate of around $500 and compares it to the 5-hour invoice. The judge explains that if a minimum charge was intended, it should have been clearly presented that way instead of being billed as 5 hours of labor. That distinction ultimately becomes the key issue in deciding the outcome of the case.
It's gonna be around $500.
And you acknowledge she told you.
She said, yeah, it'd be around $500, yes.